All right, guys. So today I want to go over frequently asked questions. So, guys, understand that FAQ, you literally pronounce it FAQ, FAK. Basically, it is our hub for information that has no answer or information that does not have the best practice. Understand that a best practice is the most efficient way to do something, and a lot of our systems have ways to do it, but the best practice is the one that is the most efficient. So here's how this works. We have a bunch of different systems and procedures for different positions in the gym. The outbound call center associate has a lot of systems that are not DDV'd, more so just rebuttals and objections that clients may have. So what we're going to use this document for is something for any question or any procedure that is not documented. Because like I said, when dealing with clients and rebuttals, there's a lot of things that are not ideally laid out. So DDV means detailed, documented, visible for all to see. If there's something that is not DDV, not laid out that you're sure on, it becomes a frequently asked question. Here's how this works. You're going to write a sample question. What question do you have? I want you to write it as clearly as you can. I'm going to put here, use proper grammar and punctuation. You are not a third grader. I'm not doing all this is what I thought it was. I want things to look clean. From there, the answer that you chose, that you performed, ideally you're going to run into two situations. Either you're going to give an answer, or you're really not going to be sure, so you're going to bring it to this table or contact me. Ideally, I put here, I'm really big on staff coming up with best practices of their own. I would encourage you, unless you're super unsure, or if it's something that's super, for lack of a better term, like judgmental, like if you chose this option and it was the wrong one, it would cause the client to quit or something like that. If it's not that, go ahead and answer to the best of your ability or come up with your own solution. And if it's one of those that are going to be tricky, just bring it to me. But again, I encourage people to come up with their own best practices. So what you'll do is write your question and write your best answer. We'll meet, talk about it together to find out what the best practice is. So you're going to come up with the practice. You'll meet with the site manager to come up with the best practice. I got one for you. Potential prospect on Facebook Messenger asked, could she bring her son to do just one session before she started that? So basically, we don't do free sessions with our athletes. There's the answer. So again, back to this, the client wants to do a 5 month. We don't ideally do that. So here's the answer. You would literally copy and paste. We try to avoid that with our athletes. There's your answer. When can you come in to discuss a package? I actually put a question mark. I actually want all the grammar focused here. And then proper grammar, proper punctuation. If an athlete is very insistent of a free trial, uh, doing this, insisted in a free trial, then you're going to rebuttal back here. So again, there's your answer. They're probably going to book with you. And if not, here's the rebuttal. You need to be able to look up our prices to determine, look at the times based on location to see when everything is. So there you go. This is frequently asked questions. I literally expect there to be dozens of these. I want the outbound call center manager to have everything lined up, clear, concise, and again, autonomous, not requiring me to do your job or answer any questions that you may have.